In this video, I will be showing you the primary strengths and weaknesses of Perplexity AI to help you determine if it is the right research tool for your specific needs. I am starting with a search to gather a comprehensive overview of how this conversational AI engine performs across various categories like accuracy and model flexibility. Looking at the strengths, Perplexity excels by providing transparent source citations for every claim it makes, which allows me to verify information quickly and ensures a high level of accountability in my research. It also leverages real-time web access to deliver the most current data available, while offering the unique flexibility to switch between advanced models like GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet to suit different types of tasks. Turning to the weaknesses, I have to be mindful that the tool can still produce occasional factual errors or hallucinations, so I always make it a point to double-check the provided citations for accuracy before finalizing my work. The free version of the platform also comes with certain limitations, such as a daily cap on advanced pro searches, which can feel a bit restrictive during more intensive research sessions. Additionally, while it is excellent for gathering quick facts, it sometimes provides surface-level analysis that lacks the deep creative depth or complex coding capabilities found in more specialized AI applications. Finally, the tool's integration with external productivity software is currently somewhat limited, and I have noticed that it may occasionally produce repetitive or less nuanced responses when dealing with non-English queries or highly complex context. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.